Hey there, I'm Patrick Chan, world champion and Olympic figure skating gold medalist. I've worked hard and pursued excellence all my life. Now, I finally moved in to my new dream home. My dream home isn't just a van. It's a mobile sanctuary. My van isn't just a home. Its built-in privacy features allows me to get away from my crazy family. As an athlete, I've always disliked the long commutes. That's why Drifter Vans had my van customized with an incredible feature.